while I'm busy in life doing other things, we still gonna be consistent and drop this content. Okay? I warn people. People don't understand. People just still think I'm yapping. I see somebody comment on the Illuminati video where they say I'm being a hater because the game's on decline. The game at 2K is not on no decline. I hate when people say that. It's like saying the world's on decline. You know, everybody's, oh, this is a bad world. Oh, this world is cruel. It's like saying that. There's always gonna there's always duality in the world. Until you people in my comments that watch this video who try to say I'm hating or I sound like this or whatever the case is, you don't understand life. There's always duality. I've always seen OGs, they hate this new era of basketball, but there's people who love it. They love the SGAs, they love the Wimbies, they love the JTs. There's kids who are going to be adults one day and pay bills, do the same thing, have sex, do the same shit you do. You're talking to somebody who knows what they talking about. Sorry if sometimes I come off like, oh, it comes off in the know-it-all energy, but I know what I'm talking about. If people are not skillful in a game, do they have fun in it? 9 times out of 10. Be honest. No. Who? If they don't understand how to play the game, that you have to have skill to understand. You have to have skill, right? Yeah, to understand how to play the game. Especially when you go online. People are so trapped into this world where they're by themselves. You're by yourself. Playing your single player game, you play it a certain way, things just so, like, I don't know, bro. People got too stuck on that. Once you got online gaming, it became a gladiator world. There was always going to be certain different players you meet who's like a different, come on, bro. Y'all niggas watch anime, y'all see how, oh damn, they didn't know there was these strong evil villains on this other side. You thought it was only those first one in that first series that you watched. Like, you see what I'm saying? So take that same concept with another stronger player, you gonna end up meeting people who make metas. People gonna learn shit. We in a new time where the internet allows people to learn a little bit faster. Like, I don't understand. And be aware of things. But he snitched on himself and got the dev team on the line to patch this. I really hate folks who just can't play the game straight up. I don't know what people think a 18-man dev team or whatever the case is. I don't know what y'all think they're going to be able to do with cheesers. This is one piece of the puzzle. This is a person doing one thing. There's going to be so many things that come out. Oh, you can start doing this. Oh, you can start doing this. People are going to start copying. Because the good players are going to be putting in those hours, the time to find little things that work, testing it. Y'all don't understand this. Y'all do not. These new times where it's not the same times. People's brains are way more developed playing video games. Even casual bums who are bums, like they'll at least know to understand and be able to recognize when players are at that certain level, try to stay away from them. The devs try to make skill-based matchmaking. Like, come on. This is what he's doing in this game. The dribble gods have came to this game. What's the dev team gonna do when their game relies off of, people have to understand this. And then he made a tutorial on it, so people are very upset about that. So yeah, here's a tutorial. 1.6 million views already. The dev team is on fire. Like, y'all don't understand this. People keep, oh, I made a post too. Let's go to the post real quick, because I made a post. And I said the meta curse strikes again. You know, people, you see people are liking it. It's probably going to get more views over time. I don't understand what people don't get. And I said I'll give it a month. Like, somebody, I said I'll give it a month, right? Somebody said I'm being nice. He'll give it like a week. And when we're being honest, we really could say a week's time frame, because people have been so, and y'all don't understand. That's why I say y'all, man, listen, y'all can be however y'all want. I always keep my mind pure. If I don't know something, like if they not tell me out my mind, I have the freedom to think what I want until somebody makes it clear to you. You know, you have that right. You don't have to give people the benefit of doubt just because they're already in this high position. You don't have to do that. A lot of these animations you're seeing, when you're seeing the spin, when you're seeing him do the little step back, these are things that's naturally in the game. What they gonna cut it down to where you can only do 2 step backs? Then they're gonna be lowering down their game, doing the same thing 2K has to do. You think these niggas are on Mike Wayne's level? Y'all niggas are so, people be so ungrateful. And I'm not saying that 2K don't got his wrongs, but people be so ungrateful. Think what y'all want. I'm gonna stand on how I feel. You don't know who it could be. Who runs this shit? What happened to the EA? Why haven't they made another one and came back like, yo, y'all loved our game so much. I see y'all saying NBA to run is trash, so we're gonna drop a new one. Why haven't they did this? Huh? This lets me sit back and think like, what's running with this world? If they see something's good and nice, why not use it? So it lets me start to think like maybe that was the same people. Maybe that was just a certain time frame. Maybe they want to go into a new direction. They don't want to rely off their basketball games looking like that way, because that was like the main popular basketball game until 2K started coming out, until like people live started getting a little popular than 2K. Like people loved the NBA Streets and shit. That was the game. Like, oh yeah, that was it. You know what I mean? Yeah, people played NBA Jam stuff, but it wasn't compared to NBA Street. Everybody loved how NBA Street was, the vibe, the characters, etc. That's why they tried to do this. That's why this company tried to do this. They see the vision. I don't be knowing people. I'm not going to say, oh, I believe it's a random 18-man dev team. But let's put it like this. You think these niggas are on Mike Wayne and them level? This game is already not really constructed, deeply detailed, and you can look at it. Look at the end. It looked like it doesn't even look as fluid as NBA Street. Look at the push and the stop. Look how players got it. Like, you can tell it's still like a phone game. This game could be played on a phone. So people have to understand, like, you know what I mean? These things I always look at as like a test. How are people enjoying it? What's going to go down? Are people, like, this could be like a company, like, are people going to play it like 2K? They're testing to see. And yo, it's being played like 2K. It's being played like meta. Hunt for the threes. Use the best player to win bees. You're going to see the same lineups until they create a game with variety. I keep saying this, like, you're always going to see some of the things being used. It's crazy how a meta is always formed. It bugs me sometimes. It lets me know, like, damn, the developers may be not on a certain level that we think they are on, because how can you guys not get to a balance? It's like they're making a product just to sell. Because how are you guys not reaching a certain balance? Like, you tested so many times, went through so many tests before you drop the game, to where you know there's a lot of balance on both ends, and you know throughout the game it's going to be so much different type of creativity coming, new different styles of play. You know what I mean? Like, a meta's not bad if it could change. If people, okay, people switching, okay, this is switching up a little bit now, and there's variety of it. I told people this was going to happen. They didn't want to listen. Here's Chaka. 100 people crying in the comments, and none of them even play the game. Why are people saying this? People are playing this. What are people talking about? Everybody, I don't get it. Getting my move pads, GG's. Look, Lamont said, like, no. We are looking into this. Oh, look. We've seen previous reports on it. Thanks for sharing. Niggas think this is good? They're going to find the next thing. Look. Game will be dead soon. They're gonna find the next thing. Y'all okay? Y'all think this is good because they're responding so fast. We've seen this. We're gonna look into this. Huh? Bro, do y'all understand how much exploits is gonna come out of a game like this? I don't think y'all understand that. And not even just exploit, just a meta, like, maybe somebody stand right here, use your body right here, use Wemby's tall body, let me do a move behind. Like, yo, let me not even get into that mind state. I'm not playing this game, but I could just understand how thoughts work and how people could just start trying things to create different strategy on the court. Y'all have to understand this, man. Very, 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 very scary for these people. The dribble gods are going over here on NBA to run, and they're doing this now. I warn people, we are in the age of information, meaning the world is now able, all at once, like everywhere, is able to learn a little bit faster. People are not understanding that. I realize that we're not in those old days no more where you got to send a pigeon. Think about it. Yeah, yo, y'all have to understand. At some point in time, whether or not in movies they show it to be real or not, at some point in time that was real, because I remember when I had a house phone, cord phone, You had the black, I had the BlackBerry with the screen light up in the text. It did not have no apps, and you just, I really had one of those. And I remember how before I even had the phones, even when I was a kid, how the communication was. You had to wait. If you had like the girl or you like somebody, you had to wait to go to school to see them, or you had to wait to go at an event to see them, or you had to say word to mouth like, hey, this, meet me here tomorrow. Okay, we'll be around there, and you see each other. Like, it really was like that. Now it's no text. You set a date, calendar date, stream date, set this. You can message this person here, little reminder thing. Yo, it's so different now. People were in my generation, and you are wise enough and aware enough to see it. Because there's kids that's grown up and they don't know that time that I was in. They're about to grow up and straight know, oh, it was technology around me. Age of information, age of technology. That's what they call it. We even if you alive, like let's say you make it through life, I feel like yes, transitions when time changes, you go through these times, and then I guess higher up people or whoever make names for it or whatever the case is, based on how the energy is or whatever the case is. But that's the times we in. It's clear as day to see. You know how much people see this? 1.6 million views. You know how much people seen this and they're doing this now? And they're about to go look for something else next to go, because this also gets you Twitter views. This also gets you clout and engagement. So this is the new wave now. People want to be able to show whatever breaks a game, or you want to be the first one to get that exposure. Yeah. That's like the world. People, you've seen the files get exposed. You've seen so many TikTok videos. People want to expose this. People exposing the little DV4D guy. Like, man, I'm just telling you, it's really in those type of times. Like, I'm not saying those things always happen, but it's very heightened. It's very more abundance of it. Y'all think this will be the only one? I'll do another recap. I guarantee you there's going to be something else that pops up. I'll do another recap. They're about to make these devs work. If it's an 18-man dev team, they cannot handle as many different creative minds that's going to touch this game, figure out different stuff, and then want to make a video on it, make content. Especially if it's hot, everybody's playing it, which it is. They did that good. So y'all let me know what y'all think, man, about this in the comment section below. The Dribble Gods have went over there. Oh, don't let Steezo go over there and just start playing with the buttons and see, oh, damn. Oh, okay, you could do that. Okay. Don't let Steezo go over there. He's going to break that. He's going to put that game out of commission. Please don't let Steezo go over there. Oh, my Lord.